Thank you so much.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank
You're
you.
welcome.
Alright guys, so my birthday gift finally came. See how excited I am. Oh my goodness. I am particularly excited about this one because I really don't like to celebrate my birthdays, but this year I said it was going to be different. I wanted to do something that I really like for myself, hence the photo shoot, the I had to go all out, bought dress for myself. Dresses actually, I had to return some because it wasn't fitting. I just did a couple of things I normally wouldn't have done, like extra pamper. I got a new hair, not this one I'm wearing currently, the one I use for my photo shoot. And then this year, when hubby asked me what I wanted for my birthday, I wasn't sure because I didn't want anything, to be honest. Because normally all the other birthdays, he just kind of used to always force me to celebrate them. I just never felt like celebrating. It just felt like there was nothing to celebrate, even though yes, there's life. I always fast like 3 days before my birthday, so that's the only thing I usually do, and I'm usually very thankful to God for. But regarding achievement and just doing or just getting to that place where I want, I hadn't gotten there, so I just felt like there was really no need to celebrate. But this year I was like, no, I'm celebrating and I'm going all out. So normally for other birthdays he would just, get me something that he knows I really like. And just go all out and he'll just get it. And I'll just be surprised because I wasn't expecting it anyway. But he would have probably noticed, okay, I need this, I need that, but I never really said anything because I usually never want anything. But this time around, I requested for something and it was just like a day or two before the birthday. I just said, okay, you know what? I don't even have bags, I have just one bag that I rock everywhere, one tummy bag, and that's it. Like church, grocery, mommy bag, like pretty much everything. So I was like, okay, yeah, bags won't be a bad idea. So I got on the Coach website and I ordered 2 bags. One for, or rather, he got me 2 bags. One for my birthday and one for Mother's Day. So they just arrived. I think it took 3 days shipping. So I'm going to unbox them quickly before my baby wakes up. I can see her moving already. So let's do this quickly. This is the black one. Good, I am like a kid in a candy shop. Alright, let's see what we have. Woo-hoo-hoo. I can't remember when last I owned a black bag. It's been ages. Ages. And look, it is so pretty. I just wanted something I could work. I'm starting work very soon, so I just wanted something I could wear to work and church, or just regular, normal, outing. Oh, this is really cute. I can't wait to see the second one because that's the one I really, really like. This one is just like a regular workwear bag, but it's really cute too. Let's open this quickly. I can see my madam moving. She's going to wake up any minute. I like the fact that they packed them individually so it doesn't get bent or dent. Like, it's pretty beautiful. Like, it's packed up as it should, Love it, love it, love it. This one is pretty big. Ooh, wow. It's bigger than the first one. This is the second one. The second one. So they were doing Mother's Day sale, and that was why I wanted to, or rather, I was like, okay, you know what, it makes financial sense to get it now because the sale price was really good. So I was like, okay, let me get this one. So this is one I'm particularly excited about. It's so cute. And if you know me, I like to carry one bag forever. So this one just suits this purpose. It's a very nice, colorful bag. Whew. Come on now. Come on now. Come on now. This packaging is serious. Lots of papers, nylons, like everything to just preserve the integrity of the bag, I would say. So, like lots of paper. This one has like, what's it called? This one has the chain design. I have to use scissors for this. That's the front and that's the back. Like, it's really, really cute. It's big enough for work as well. So those were the things I was thinking of when I chose the bag. I wanted something I could wear to work. Like I said, I had a backpack I used to carry to work in. I walked that bag till it nearly died. I bought it from, what's the name of the space now? We used to buy shirts from that store in the US. I can't remember the name now. Express, yes, Express. It was a backpack. That's where I used to buy my husband's shirts from. And I saw a really good, nice brown backpack, which I rocked the life until it started giving way. That's what I used to wear to work. So, the tummy bag I was using, I must have rocked it for, I'm still rocking it. I haven't even stopped rocking it. I've been using that bag since 2019. Like, I haven't switched. so this is a good deal for me. Come on now. This is so cute. Cute. Absolutely cute. Like, super cute. Super cute. I've been waiting for this to just come through the mail. It's so beautiful. I'm just glad that it came quick, like fast shipping. I like the little gold detail right here. It's really cute as well. And this can contain my laptop as well, so pretty good. Like, they really package you well so that it won't bend at all. The space this inside is quite big as well. Honestly, the packaging is something else. Like, it's a lot. Well, like I said, we just wanted to preserve the integrity of the bag to make sure, you know, it stays as it should once it gets to you. So I like the fact that it did that. I'm just excited, seriously, like really, really excited. It is packed to the nines. Wrappers everywhere. Anyway, so that's it. That's what the inside looks like. It is so spacious and lovely and nice. More wrappers, and it has the Coach logo here and a nice detail here as well. It's so cute, guys. Unboxing done, and I get to rock my 2 bags. Oh, I need to take, oops. I need to take these 2 out as well. Alright guys, so that marks the end of my birthday vlog. Today is today is the 11th, and that was when my gift came. I was going to edit the video tonight, but I'm glad the bags came so I could just wrap everything up and put it in one video. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So that's how my birthday went. It was pretty chill, nothing serious. I just had a photo shoot, got new dresses, ended up wearing just one particular one which I bought for the birthday. The other one that I actually wore for the shoot which I posted was supposed to be for a family shoot, but I kind of liked it when the photographer took a personal picture of me, and that was what I posted. I didn't even post the actual one which I bought for the birthday itself. So yeah, but it's still there though. I'm still gonna post it maybe on Mother's Day. So yeah, that's how my birthday went. We just went to eat at my favorite restaurant, which is Milestones. God, don't deliver me from there. It's the only restaurant we always go to. Hopefully, I'm going to be able to try new restaurants very soon. I go to only one restaurant because I like their food and I hate experimenting. But maybe we'll try some other ones later. So after Milestones, what else? We just had lunch with family, came back home. And that was pretty much it. And then my gifts. So like I said, it was pretty chill. Nothing serious. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching. And expect more videos from me. They are coming soon. I'm trying to rush them as much as I can. I still have the house series coming up, but I just took a break and I'll be posting some other videos in between, and then we can go from there. And we'll be able to complete the house series much later. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe, like, invite your friends to watch, and let's get this channel growing. Alright guys, take care. Bye.